Are you interested in making a lot of money online? Then you need to take a look at this simple strategy, because you can use this simple platform called Course City to actually make money online without actually having any form of content right now. You're not going to create any content, you're just simply going to be making some cool cash with this strategy. So walk with me as we dive right into this cool and amazing strategy. First of all, you need to come onto this platform called thecoursecity.com. As you can see, guys, this is a platform where you could easily go on to finding online courses for you. It has an instant search of about 50,000 plus courses on web, and they have collected the best online courses from the biggest platforms and put them together for you. So you can see much more cool and amazing stuff about this particular platform right here. So you can get courses on Python, Flutter, Java, React, AWS, JavaScript, data science, and a lot more cool and amazing stuff, including digital marketing, engineering, and business. So there are a lot of courses available for you on this platform, and you may be wondering, how do I actually use this platform to make money? I'm going to walk you through how you could do that just right now. Firstly, you want to come onto this section that says free courses. Once you click on that, it's actually going to show you the free courses available on this platform. Now you can see, guys, this is about 10,000 plus free online courses. This is actually about 150 plus free certification courses. So if you keep on scrolling through, you'll be able to see a lot of free courses right now, and you can just simply come onto this search section and search for courses related to a specific niche if you actually do want right now. So guys, what I'm going to do right now is to select this first course, and if I do select that, you'll be able to see much more details about the course right here. As you can see, there are actually a lot of courses available right now on just that particular course. Now you can just simply go on to filtering that better to search for something that you're actually interested in. You can filter based on section right here. You can filter based on topic, based on price, based on language, and based on other cool stuff. Maybe if you want to filter based on price, you can actually select the free. Based on topic, guys, you can actually do see that there are a lot of topics available for this free course right now, different topics right here. Maybe I want to just simply select something like ChatGPT, and I'm going to be able to see courses actually for ChatGPT. You can see this one actually says make digital advertising easy with ChatGPT. This ChatGPT quick guide, prompt engineering, plugins, and more. So if you keep on scrolling through, you'll be able to see a lot of cool and amazing ChatGPT prompts or ChatGPT courses right now that are absolutely for free. Now you can see much more details about the course. You can select the course and be able to see much more details. You can go to the course for free right now. Now you can just simply utilize this course to make money. Even though this is not your course, you can just simply copy the link to this course and go on to utilizing the URL file locker or a content locker to make money right now. To do so, you just need to go onto a CPA marketing platform that has content locking capability. Sign up for that platform. I'm going to be utilizing CPA Grape, and you just need to sign up for CPA Grape right now. Once you're signed up and logged into your account, guys, you want to come onto the page, which is the URL file locker section if you are utilizing CPA Grip. But if you're utilizing other CPA marketing platform, you want to just simply come right here, click on monetization to utilize URL file locker for CPA Grip, but for other CPA marketing platforms, utilize content lockers. And once you do that, you're going to be brought to this page. Click on create new URL file locker. You can agree to the terms of service right here, click on continue, and it's going to take you to the page where you can create your URL file locker. Right now in this section, you want to paste in the link to that particular course. You could actually go into the template section, select either the capture template, or you can select the file download locker. But I want to utilize the capture template. Head back to general. I'm going to change this right here to something like the name of this locker, maybe something like course or something like free course. If I do name it something like this, for the header text, I'm going to change that to something like complete the capture below to gain access to the free ChatGPT course. Now once you do this right here, this actually looks okay. Once people do click on this I am not a robot, it's actually going to show them some offer they could complete, and if they complete any of the offer, they're going to gain access to one of the free courses right there, or the free course right there that you're actually giving out to them. But for them completing that offer, you're also going to be making cool affiliate commission right there, because you directed them to do a simple action right now. And that's what CPA marketing is all about, whereby it stands for cost per action. You direct people to do some specific action, and you do go on to earn some cool affiliate commission. So once you do this, guys, you want to just simply click on save. Your URL file locker right now will be generated. Once that has actually been generated, guys, You want to come right here, click on get link for the free course right now. Click on copy link and create a simple landing page. Now you can create landing pages on quite a number of websites right there. There are actually numerous that you can create landing pages for. You can utilize platforms like Webflow. This is a very cool platform that you can use to go into building professional landing pages or professional bridge pages right now. You can also utilize Google Site for free or the breezy.io for free. There are a lot of other platforms to leverage. And if you want to learn how to create landing pages, check out my channel right now, ojmarketing. Click on the search icon and just simply go on to typing in landing page. Once you successfully do that right now and click on enter, it's automatically going to show you some cool and amazing videos I have for you that teaches you how to create landing pages. You can see this one right now. This one shows you how to create a landing page and earn up to $500 a day for your CPA marketing offers. This shows you how to create a landing page with Google Sites. This is with Webflow right now, as you can see. This is with systemy.io. This is with breezy.io. So all this video teaches you successfully how to create landing pages. So why not just simply grab hold of the video, learn how to create a landing page and utilize that to link to your URL file locker. Then go on to promoting that on platforms like Facebook right here. You can also utilize Tumblr right now. You just need to go onto Facebook and search for ChatGPT related groups. So if I do search for ChatGPT right now and click on enter in the group section, you're going to see a lot of ChatGPT related groups that you can just simply go onto posting, telling them that you're giving them a free course for free. And guys, you don't want to paste in the link to your landing page first. You want to just simply ask if they're interested. They should comment in the comment section so that the admin of the group can actually make that post to be going uploaded on the group. So once people do comment, you're just simply going to go into sending them the link to your landing page. And when they do get the link, they're going to click on that, which is going to lead them to your URL file locker. Once they complete an offer, you make some cool affiliate commission. So basically, that's what you want to do right now on Facebook, and you can target as many groups as you can. You can also come right here on this platform called tumblr.com and do also quite something similar to get a lot of traffic. Now, all these platforms I'm actually showing you, both Facebook and Tumblr, are actually getting a lot of huge traffic. If you do analyze Facebook right now based on similar web statistics, you'll actually find out the amount of traffic Facebook actually gets every single month right there. That's a huge amount of traffic. Facebook gets about 6 billion visits a month. So guys, this is a very cool strategy I do advise you take advantage of, because with this strategy you can make quite a handsome amount of money online every single day. Now, if the video was helpful, why not just simply hit the like button to the video and subscribe to the channel. If you are also interested in other ways to make money online, you may want to just simply check out my channel right here, ojmarketing, because I regularly create videos each and every single day that shows you how to create cool cash online. So check out the videos, and that could help you boost your income online. You could also, guys, subscribe to the channel like I said earlier, turn on your notification bell on all to always get alerted whenever I release some cool videos to help boost your income online. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.